Okay, hello everyone. So let's do Cambridge Primary Checkpoint for grade 5, right? That's April 2024, paper 1. Okay, let's do questions 1. Okay, we have rectangle and vertex A, B, C, and D. Now, Oliver translate rectangle 4 square down. Okay, translate 4 square down. Write new coordinate B. Okay, so B there. At first, we move P 4 square down. 4 square down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. P there. P comma. So now you can see B. The coordinate will be 5 and 2. Right. And we'll finish first one. Next exercise 2. Mia has a part of chocolate. Okay, she is 3/4 of the part of chocolate. She says that I have 3/4 of my part of chocolate left for later. And Mia is not correct. Explains how you know. Okay, so because first we have one part, right? That means we have 1. We is 3/4, right? So we will have left like 4/4. Subtract 3/4. That should be 1/4 left, right? Not 3/4. So this is wrong. Oh, this is wrong. Let's try exercise 3. She decorates her garden with 2 sets of lines. One set of line has a length of 7.35 meters, and the other set of line has a length of 3.62. Okay, find the total length. Total, that means we add them together, right? So we got 7.35 plus 3.62. Okay, I think that's easier to use. The other column, like column 3.62. Okay, 5R2, 3.69. Remember, we are decimal number less. Remember, the part need to line up. Okay. And 7R3 will be 10, right? So answer is 10.97 meters. Okay. Do next. Number 4 has a number 38.04. Multiply the number by 1,000. Write the answer. Okay, with times with 1,000. 1,000 we have 3 zeros, so we move the point to the right. 3 digits, right? 1, 2, 3. So point there. The answer that should be 38040 point. But point at the end we can cancel the point. Next, number 5. Here are 4 calculations. Okay, draw a ring around the calculation that is equivalent to 0.9. Okay, let's try. First one is 90, right? No, so it's not. 0.36 divided by 4. Okay, you can take 36 divided by 4 is 9, and we have 2 number at the point, right? So we choose number. Okay, so answer will be 0.09. And 36 divided by 4, of course, 9. So make sure the last one will be 0.9. You can take 36 divided by 4 is 9, but we have 1 number at the point. So we move to the left 1 digit. Yeah. Okay. Exercise 6. Calculate for 3, 4, 5 divided by 15. Okay, you can do it very fastly. That will be 23, right? Next, exercise 7. Drudge recalls the vehicle that passed his house one morning. Here are his results. Okay, so let's see the table. Recording a pie chart. Okay, a pie chart, and that's table. Complete the key for his pie charts. So you need to complete the key, right? So if for Vans, already a bicycle. Okay, so to convert to pie chart, you need to know how many percent for each vehicle, right? So Vans and bicycle we finished already, because you can see bicycle and motorcycle will be the same, right? So I think that should be motorcycle, right? Because they have same. Okay. Next, a lorry would have the same van. So lorry, of course, there because that have the same shape with the vans. Okay, and the last will be cars. Okay, now let's fill to the key table. Like this one will be motorbike, a motorcycle, and next will be lorries, and the last one is cars. Easy, right? Okay, exercise 8. Drawing around the total fraction. A pistol Pierre has. Okay, so he has 12 piece. A piece is 1/8 of whole pistol. Total fraction. Okay, so we have 1 pieces times 12 because he has 12, so that should be 12 over 8 is 4. We will divide it by 4, right? To get new fraction, this will be 3 over 2. 3 over 2, and that's, we convert to mixed number, will be 1/2. This one. Number 9. Here are the nets of some 3D shapes. Drawing around the net of the prism. Okay. Prism. Let's say prism. Prism, that should be the first one. No, that's pyramid, right? And next, no, it's not. I'm sure it's not. Prism. Oh, this one, right? Remember, prism have 2 faces at the same, right? And a round shape that should be the face around should be rectangle. Okay, that's the answer. It's pentagon or prism, right? Pentagon or prism. Okay. Exercise 10. Here is a circle. Here's a circle. It has 8 equal space dot around each and 1 in the center. Okay, draw 3 dots to draw a right angle triangle. Okay, so easy. You can try a lot, right? Of course, you remember that's on the line. Go through center. You can easier to make right angle triangle. First one, second one, 3 dots. Okay, we have a lot, right? Okay. You can choose another diameter and connect with any point you want. Just make sure that you have one line pass through center, and you can easier to make is a right angle triangle. Okay. Exercise 11. Here are two sets of cards. Sarah and Sabi, pick one card from each set at random. Okay. Equally likely to be an even number. Okay, equally likely even number from set A as I am big to an even number from set B. Oh, that is same, right? Even number from set B. Okay, even number from set A and even number from set B. So we have set A 24, only one is 1/2. Okay, even set B, we have 46 and 82. That's 1/2 too. So 50%. Correct. Because that's 1/2, right? 1/2. 1/2. The same. And 1/2 you can have equally likely. Next one, 12. Okay, let's explain. I forgot. Let's explain. You can write like as Saturday we have 1/2, and Sabi we have 2/4, and that's equal. An aeroplane carries 269 passengers each day. Okay, each day. The total number of passengers the airplane carries in 28 days. 28 days. So just multiplication, choose 69 times 28. Calculate by yourself. We got 7,532, right? I do this carefully. Now you can do it by yourself. Exercise 13. Here are some quadrilaterals you draw on a dark grid of squares. Okay, draw a ring around each quadrilateral with rotational symmetry about 2. Rotational symmetry does mean that's exactly how many times when one shape like rotate one round, right? Other 2 does mean we have 2 times when we rotate one round, and we have 2 times the fifth is safe at first. R2 square? No, right? It's the square out of 4, so it's not. Okay. Parallelogram, yes, that's other 2. Okay. Trapezium, what do you think? When you circle around, no, it have only one, right? Other one. And rectangle, let's see. When we do this, now that I see, we do this only one time. Okay. Other one. Next, kite. Let's see. Turn around. No. Oh, other one. And rompers. Other 2, right? Oh no, I think we have some mistake at rectangle, right? It's other 2 the same. When we turn 90, no, but we will turn 180 degrees, that fit, right? Okay, that's other 2. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Exercise 14. Xavier writes on some cards. So equivalent values. Okay, let's try. So to find equivalent, you can see that we have fraction, percentage, and decimal. Let's move to one time. Like you can convert to, I think, decimal. That's easier. Okay, that will be 0.4, right? For 40 over 100, that's 0.4. And 2 divided by 5, that should be 2 over 5 will be 4 over 10, right? Or 0.4. Yeah, same. 8 over 20, you can divide by 2, or you times 5 to get 40 over 100 and 0.4, the same, right? Oh, 4 over 100, that should be 0.04. 8%, that will be 8 at 0.08. Okay, now let's see. First one, second one, third one, and fourth one. Okay, so we have 4 cost equivalent values. Exercise 15. Oh, that should be. Use your canvas to draw carefully, okay? Because I use my pencil, it's hard to draw on my iPad, okay? Let's move to exercise 16. Write the coordinate port A. Okay, easy. Okay, that's easier to see. You can see the between 1 and 2 that will be 1.5 and y will be 3. The point B has the coordinate 4 and 0.5. Point B. Okay, 4 x first. 4 there. You can draw a line. Your 4, 0.5 and y. That's between 0 and 1. And we draw a line. The intersect RB. Right. Okay. And 2 exercise 17. Write the percentage of the counters that are white. Why? Okay, let's count. I think we have how much? 4 and 5. So 4 times 5 is 20 in total. 20 is counter in total. And 4 black. So we will have 16 white, right? Okay, so percentage white, so 16 over 20. But we want to convert 100, we time with 5. Okay, 16 times 5 will be 90, right? No, 80. Sorry, 80. So 80%. And the answer is 80. Okay. Next one, exercise 18. Oh, very long. Okay, so he has a coin. He played the coin 4 times. He recorded the outcome 8 times. Here are his zeros. Has, tails, has. Property of tail is 25%. Want to improve his experiment? He's thinking of 4 different methods. Okay. Do 4 more try with a different coin? Do 6? Of course, no, right? We need to try on this coin. Okay, do 6 more trials, but flip the coin higher? No. But flip the coin higher? No. The most reliable, right? I think it's not the most, only 6 times. The 8 more try, but ask someone else to flip it. No. I think there's only one that will be better, right? Because like the different people that can cause different. Okay, so 10 more try. Of course, that will be the past trial. Because you can try at most trials. That will be get better estimation, right? Okay, 19. Write a number in the past to make the calculation correct. Okay. So weak numbers such as 12 equal negative, we just do inverse. Like such as 12, now we are 12, so we got negative 8, right? Okay, so answer is negative 8. This is at 20. have 4. C has 4 bars and 4 beats and 2 pulse. So put the piece in the pulse. Okay, the beats in the pulse. A represents the number A, 4 beats and 2 pulse. A represent, B represent number of beats. Okay, in other board. In one port, in other port. Okay. So write on possible size of value for A and B. Okay, we have, because like the total is 4, right? So A plus B is 4. Okay, let's try possible value. Okay, you can try from 0 and 4. So 1 and 3, 2 and 2, 3 and 1, and 4 and 0. Finish. Let's try exercise 21. Calculate the area of the top of the table. The top of the table. The top of the table. Okay, area. This shape is rectangle. You can see that rectangle. So area of rectangle. That will be length times width, right? And now to replace, we have length is 2 and width is 3/4. That will be 2 times 3 is 6/4. And we reply, let's simplify. 4/3, right? 4/3. That's okay, you let 6/4 because the question is not asking you like simplify. 22. A digit cost to make a 4-digit number and the number is divisible by 9. Okay, divisible by 9. Write the missing digit in the box. Okay, so to get a number divided by 9, you make sure that they have the sum all digits divided by 9, right? So we are 3, are 1, are 4, and are A. I call this number as A. That would be 8 plus 8. So a 4-digit missing digit. So what is A, you think? To get divided by 9. We have only, the total is 9. 18. 18 is so far, 18 is 10, but it's 1 digit. So A only 1. Right. So we have 1 is the answer. Right. Easy, right? Okay. Let it choose an improper fraction. The numerator is a multiple of 2. Numerator, the top number is multiple of 2 divided by 2 and less than 6. The top number, the part number is less than 6. The value of the fraction is greater than 1. Okay. And less than 2. Okay. Less than 1 and then 2. Greater than 1 and less than 2. I think for this exercise you can have a lot, like divided by 2, so I think about 2 or 4, but 2 is only 1 or 2 there, so you cannot. Okay, 4, let's try 4 there. 4, because the top number, that's greater than 1, right? So top number will be greater than bottom, so that could be 3. Right, 4/3, of course, that's less than. You can try another case like 6/5, for example, right? A whole lot case. Okay, let's do next. 24. Okay, Okay, we have fixed the chain between some bars. The length of each chain is 1.8. He used 14 chains. 14 chains. Total the length of chain. Okay, so we just multiply. That's right. Just 1.8 times 14. Okay, to multiply decimal number, you just ignore the point and do like 18 times 14 and got like 252, and we have 1 point out to the decimal point. So let's move the point 1 to the left. The answer is 25.2. Okay, let's try next. 25. Right calculation. Here first 5 terms. Okay, it says I can keep adding 9 until I get to the 20 term. I can also calculate the 20 term. Without using addition. Yeah, okay, of course. We can use only one calculation without addition, without like not a lot, right? We need to do a lot of steps to get the answer. Okay, so let's see. I will use first I see there's a term rule, like odd 9, right? Okay, so let's see. If I have 20 term, that will be the first term. I want to take the first term, and you can see from the first to fifth, the first number 1 to number 5, we add 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. So now, if we to 20 term, we need to add how many jumps? 19, right? Because you used the first term already. So we add 19 jumps, and each jump is 9, so we times 9, right? And now there's the calculation. Okay, that's the way for every exercise for term rule. But for this exercise, I think we have the better way. Like you can see the position to term rule, right? This one have position to term rule. It's times 9, right? So we just do one calculation, like 20 times 9. Okay, got another way. 26. A library wants to know if all older children borrow more books. The library records the age of the children and the number of books that they borrow in 1 month. Here are results. Let's show where the statement about it are true or false. Okay, let's see. In general, as the age of the children increase, the age increase, the number of books they borrow decrease, book decrease. Okay, let's see. The age increase, that means we will look from the left to the right, and the books decrease, right? That's decrease. That's right. Okay. 2. 14 years old borrow more book. 14 years old. 14 there. Borrow more book than 13. 13 there. Yeah, of course that's higher. You can see that's higher. Right? Okay, that's 2. 2 children each borrow 10 books. 2 children. It borrowed 10 books. Let's see, 10 book there, 10 book, number of book there. 2 children. Now we have 3 dots. That's 3 children, not 2. That's false. Okay, so that's 27. Here the shape drawn on the grade of square. The side of 1, so that means it's 1. Okay. take all the expressions that can be used to calculate the area of the shape in centimeters square. Okay? So I think we should divide this into 2 square, right? This one has 6. Second has 2. The length is 2, right? So this one is 6 square, and this one is 2 square. And we add them together. It's the first one correct. And I think we should calculate this exactly how many. Like 36 plus 4, that would be 40. Okay, it turns, of course, as no. 6 times 4, 6 times 4 plus 2 times 4. If that's correct. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 8 is 32, right? It's wrong. Okay. 6 times 6, 36 plus 4. Okay, that's 40. That's 32. Correct. And 6 times 4, 24 plus 4 is 28. It's not correct. It's only 2. Let's try 28. Write a number in parts to make this calculation correct. Okay. Divided by 5, so we have 2 left, right? I think that should be 7, right? Because like 7 divided by 5 will be have 1, and 2 is the remainder. So that's right there. Okay, for this exercise, I think you guys you can fill number 5 first, and then you can do the working power like 5 times 1 and plus 2 to get this number. Okay, 7. Okay, 29. Myself has 2 triangular faces and 3 rectangle. 2 triangular and 3 rectangle faces. Oh, that should be prism, right? Prism, because that always have a round shape like rectangle. So how we draw? Let's get the shape that Chen could choose. Okay, you can choose any like that will be triangular. Prism. Okay, I hope you remember. We draw like okay, let's draw paste first, the triangle, right? Triangle, and connect triangle. Okay, and then we have okay. Finish. So that's triangular prism. Finish. Or you can draw like only one triangle, only one, like that, and then draw that's longer. It's 2, 3, or 4 is up to you. Okay, a lot of work. Okay, exercise 30. Calculate the surface area of the cube point. Surface area. Okay, that means you need to find area around the shape in R2, area of 2 paces, right? Okay, so each square has area 25. That means 2 paces, 25. So we take 25 times 2. How about round the shape? Its rectangle have 15. And we have how many 4 face around? How many face around? It's 470 and second. 4 face around, right? So 4 times 15. And we got like 50 plus 60 is 101 and 10. Okay. Next, exercise 31. Calculate the value of angle mark A. Okay. Oh, you can see this triangle that have the two equal sides, the isosceles triangle, right? Okay, so isosceles triangle, so that means they are equal, right? So you can find exactly the angle, to the angles. Okay, so 100 subtract 80 equal, 180 subtract 80 because the total triangle in one triangle only 180, right? Okay, so sum of them is 100, so each one will be 50. Okay, and we know that's 90 degree, right? Because that's rectangle. The reason why that's 90, so this one will be 90 the same. So A, that's mean 90 subtract 50 degrees. It will be 40. Okay. 32. Oh, draw mirror line. That's line symmetries. Okay, I think that's better if you draw only the point of quadrilateral or trapezium. Okay, to see this point. See this point. Symmetry with this, right? This one. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. That's right. Next. Okay, let's see. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This one, right? Is 2, 2, 1, 2. Finish. Okay. Oh no. It's better if I draw again. Easy, right? Okay. 33. Oh, convert unit time. We know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes, and 1 minute will be 60 seconds. Okay. First 1 hour 60 minutes. Yeah, of course. And 0.3 minutes. Okay, minutes to second, we times 60. So 0.3 times 60 will be 3 times 6 is 18. 2.2 hour, let's just times 60. Calculate in our point. 22 times 6 will be 132. 0, and we have one number after the point, so one number 132, right? 1.75 to seconds, so 1.75 times 60. Okay, ignore the point. So we got 105, right? 1050, and we have two number. No, wait. One more 0, right? And we have two number at the point, so 105. Okay, 34. The probability. Okay, less than 10 spins the spinner 1,000 times. 1,000 times. Her result showed that probability of number 1 is 25, number greater than 7 is 0%, less than 5, 75. Odd number 50%, that means we'll have a half is odd number, but we have 3 and we have each number. How much? Each number in total. And we have 2 R, so we need 3 more R. Okay, number 1 is 25%. That should be 2 number 1, right? Okay, 2 number 1. And number greater than 7 is 0, so no number greater than 7. They all less than or equal 7. The number less than 5, 75%. 75%, that should be 6 number, right? 6 number less than 5. We have 6 already, so choose number will be 5, 6, or 7. 5, 6, or 7. We have 4 art. Oh yeah, we have only 4 art. So 5, 6, 7. We cancel 5 and 7, right? Only 6 left. Finish. Okay. See you guys.